Hello kids, this is Bharti Jaiswal going to teach you English grammar. English grammar में सबसे पहले हमने पढ़ा था sentence. So what is sentence? The group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. Here you have to remember that a sentence must begins with capital letter. It makes complete sense and it ends with full stop, question mark or exclamation mark. After that, we read the different types of sentences like a statement, question, command, request and exclamatory sentences. Now, we are going to discuss the parts of sentence. A sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. So, what is subject? The subject of a sentence is the person, place, thing or animal which the sentence is about. Usually the subject does the action. आपने समझा सब्जेक्ट क्या है? सब्जेक्ट सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट वो है जिसके बारे में बातें कही गई है और यूजुअली सब्जेक्ट डज द एक्शन. सब्जेक्ट कोई ना कोई एक्शन करता है. जैसे टॉम वॉकड फॉर 3 hours. हियर हु वॉकड फॉर 3 hours? हु डज द एक्शन? टॉम. So Tom is the subject and the predicate of a sentence tells us something more about the subject. सेंटेंस का जो पार्ट प्रेडिकेट है वो हमें ये बताता है, सब्जेक्ट के बारे में बताता है कि सब्जेक्ट क्या कर रहा है. What did Tom do? Walked for 3 hours. So here walked for 3 hours is predicate and Tom is the subject. एक और एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. जैसे राहुल लाइक्स प्लेइंग फुटबॉल. दिस इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स मेकिंग कंप्लीट सेंस. सो इट इज अ सेंटेंस. हियर राहुल इज द सब्जेक्ट क्योंकि राहुल के बारे में बातें कही जा रही है कि राहुल को फुटबॉल खेलना पसंद है. सो राहुल इज द सब्जेक्ट and the part likes playing football is the predicate because it's telling us about the subject राहुल. राहुल के बारे में बता रहा है कि उसे फुटबॉल खेलना पसंद है. सो नाउ वी कैन से दैट द पार्ट ऑफ सेंटेंस दैट टेल्स अस व्हाट और whom the sentence is about is called subject and the part of the sentence that tells us something about the subject is called the predicate. Is it clear now? Come to the next point. अब हमने पढ़ा था टाइप्स ऑफ द सेंटेंसेज. सो इन ऑल द टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेज हाउ वी विल रिकॉग्नाइज द सब्जेक्ट एंड प्रेडिकेट. लेट्स सी. इन अ स्टेटमेंट देयर आर सिंपल सेंटेंस वेयर predicate comes after the subject. Means usually subject comes first and then predicate. But in command we see that we say come here or don't talk. Here what about subject? यहाँ subject तो है ही नहीं because you know that command orders someone to do something. तो हम लोग बोलेंगे come here या don't talk या stand in a line. But here subject is not mentioned. लेकिन the subject is actually you and the sentence actually you come here or you don't talk or you stand in a line. So remember that in all commands the subject is you which is not mentioned in the sentence but is understood that you is the subject. Now in question and exclamatory sentence, you know that subject usually comes before the predicate but in question subject comes after the predicate. जैसे आप देखो where is mother. इस सेंटेंस में where is the predicate and mother is the subject. So subject came after the predicate means predicate came before the subject. Again अगर हमने कहा who are you तो who are is the predicate and you is the subject. Means in all questions the predicate came before the subject. Means first comes predicate and then subject. Similarly in exclamatory sentence predicate usually come before the subject. जैसे हमने कहा what a lovely flower. So here flower is the subject which came after the predicate. What a lovely. What a lovely is predicate and flower is subject. Predicate came first and then came subject. So clear now? You read what is sentence, types of sentence and parts of sentence. That's all for today. Have a good day. Bye bye.